Good morning, my dear friends. This is Tomal once again. Welcome to PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding something which is called autocorrect. I am giving a small example. What is autocorrect? Like, suppose you started writing some mail to a particular person. Now, in the due session of writing, you sometimes find that you need to mention some phrases for which uh, means you need to write some phrases in English uh, in due course of your writing. So when you start writing, after writing few words, there are few words is coming automatically, but in a very blur condition. If you press the space bar or the right arrow, it comes automatically as if you are permitting those to come in your text. So this is basically nothing but here I am in the setting part of the Gmail where this particular autocorrect is mentioned on. Now if you put this autocorrect off, then it will not appear. Like if you write a particular thing and that go automatically wrong, so if that autocorrect option is not there, so this generally happens. So the phrase which needs to be there, but you sometimes in your mind there is something else, but you find the phrase is there, so you can put it there. So this is due to the fact of autocorrect on. So this is all about the session. Thank you for being with us. My name is Tamal, representing prccump.org.in, prcump, and the official website is prccump.org.in. We guys used to provide register certificate course on computer, provide technical courses like CC++, VB, Java, provide maintenance on computers, sell dry fruits, provide banners, flex, posters design, and also provide service like MAMATA placement service. My number is 8420879158 and email is asuma6@gmail.com. Thank you for being with us and stay for more and please call at the number for any kind of help. Thank you.